Hi everyone, welcome to Hojinx Motors Garage, the home of affordable quality transformations. Today, we will repair and respray the rear bumper and fender of a Toyota Vitz. Twende kazi. First, we repair the dent and secure the bumper to its rightful position. We then apply a thin layer of filler and sand to smoothness. The vehicle is then masked and primer is sprayed. Thereafter, the undercoat and final paint coat is sprayed. Once the paint has completely dried, buffing is done. Thanks for watching guys. See you on the next project.